Speak like a leader, make people respect you. Have you ever wondered why some people command instant respect the moment they walk into a room? Why do certain leaders, even when they speak softly, hold the attention of everyone around them? The secret isn't about being the loudest voice in the room, it's about mastering the art of communication and presence. Today, we're going to break down the habits and techniques that will make you speak like a leader and earn the respect of those around you. 1. Move with purpose and confidence. Think of any powerful leader you admire. They don't rush. They move deliberately, showing that they are in control of the situation. Fast, jittery movements signal nervousness, while slow, relaxed movements project confidence. When you walk into a room, take your time. When you gesture, do it with intention. This small shift in body language can change how people perceive you instantly. 2. Hold eye contact even in difficult situations. Eye contact is a powerful tool. It conveys confidence, dominance, and even trustworthiness, but there's an art to it. Holding eye contact too long can feel aggressive, while looking away too quickly can make you seem uncertain. The key is to hold steady eye contact when making a point and to break away naturally. If you're in a conflict, keeping your gaze firm shows that you're not intimidated, but knowing when to look away signals that you're not looking for unnecessary confrontation. 3. Stay non-reactive to hostility. True leaders don't get rattled. When faced with hostility or aggression, they stay calm, collected, and composed. Think about a time when someone tried to provoke you. Did you react emotionally, or did you stay in control? The ability to remain non-reactive in stressful situations shows unshakable confidence. People respect those who don't lose their cool under pressure. 4. Take up space and scale your gestures. When speaking to a group, your presence should match the size of your audience. This means scaling up your gestures, standing tall, and owning the space around you. Leaders use expansive body language because it subconsciously signals authority. If you shrink yourself, people will subconsciously see you as less important. 5. Speak with conviction. The words you use matter, but how you say them matters even more. Avoid weak phrases like "I think" or "I hope." Instead, replace them with statements of certainty. "I will" or "this will happen." Speaking with conviction makes people believe in you. Leaders don't leave room for doubt in their speech. 6. Control your tone and inflection. Your tone can either enhance your authority or undermine it. Many people speak with an upward inflection, making their statements sound like questions. This makes you seem unsure. Instead, let your sentences end with a downward inflection. It signals confidence and decisiveness. 7. Slow down and use pauses effectively. Many people rush their words when they're nervous, but powerful speakers know that silence is just as important as speech. Pauses create anticipation. They make people hang onto your every word. The next time you speak, slow down and don't be afraid to let a moment of silence do the talking. 8. Understand what motivates people. True leadership isn't just about commanding respect, it's about influencing people. The best leaders understand what others want and use that knowledge to motivate them. This is often referred to as the carrot and stick method. If you're negotiating for a raise, for example, don't just ask for more money. Show your boss the value you bring and the potential consequences if that value is not recognized. Becoming a respected communicator isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about mastering your presence, controlling your emotions, and speaking with authority. When you implement these techniques, people will naturally gravitate toward you, listen to you, and respect you. Are you ready to take your confidence and communication skills to the next level? Start practicing these habits today, and you'll soon see the difference in how people respond to you.